Okay, I got a job replacing some castors on this couch. I haven't done one of these in living memory, so I bought the castors, and the piece of metal, the piece of wood is just the right, it can't be any smaller. So I think the trick to this is getting that first one in over here on this left-hand side, and then you can hold it in place while you do the rest of them because of all this burlap and everything. And then I centered it right over the hole, which worked out really good. I thought I was going to have to put it on the side, something like that, but this works out pretty good. You just have to be careful on this one, where the wood is while you're drilling. Now to get one of these castors off, and this is what you're looking at here. It's got, you see that's nailed in there, that one. It's got its own like nail feature and another little tack too. So I just got my pry bar and just pried it out. How much ever you wanted to get to it. I used the wheel against the wheel to get it out.